Hey guys, so I'm back with these cool cat skeleton nails. The coolest thing about these nails is that they also glow in the dark. I kind of had the idea of an X-ray for your cat skeleton sort of thing. It'd be cool. Also, it would be cool if skeletons could glow in the dark anyway. So when I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting a clear polish on my mat. This is from Moyu London, like most of my stuff. And then with my Moyu London Halloween 05 plate and a black stamping polish from Twinkle Tea, I just stamped this little bone once that base polish is dry on the mat, obviously. And then I stamped that loads and loads of times for the index and pinky nails. So once that polish had got dried, I used my China Glaze Ghoulish Glow in the Dark top coat, and I'm just filling in those bones with a dotting tool. And this polish works best with 2 coats, so I waited for that middle layer to dry and then I applied another coat of polish. And once that glow in the dark top coat had dried, I went in with a white polish. And once I was happy with that, I just took some top coat and I painted the individual bones so it'd be easier for me to peel them up. And then with some tweezers, once it had all dried, I just peeled it off my mat. Oh, easy. And I guess what that came out like. Thankfully, none of them broke. Now here I am, just delicately cutting the little bones out to put on my nail. Trying to be as close to the actual decal as I can. And there you go, even close up of me cutting it up. So I painted my index and my middle ring finger, not sure which one, with Holo Taco's 1 coat black. And then I applied a sticky base. And then once that sticky base was a little bit tacky, I'm just placing that decal on my nail and then pressing it in with the tweezers. I need to get better at using decals like this because they're so messy by the time I apply top coat. And so with my Moyu London Halloween 02 plate, I stamped the cat X-ray bone skeleton image. That was the inspiration for this design. And then like the bones before, I just applied 2 coats of the Ghoulish Glow in the Dark top coat. And then I applied a sticky base to my nail. And because the nail was white already, I just stamped it straight on my nail. My nail. And then a little brush and acetone and did some cleanup. And so here I am painting my ring finger white. I didn't show you painting my middle finger white. I just applied 2 coats of the Ghoulish Glow top coat. And then I went in with a black stamping polish and that Halloween 05 plate, and I stamped the bone that's completely opaque. And I stamped that on my nail. And I did it a few times. I think I did it 3 times. I stamped it on my nail. There's 2. And 3. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these glow in the dark cat skeleton X-ray nails, whatever you want to call them. And these are pretty cool. They actually do glow in the dark, as you've seen in the photo before, but here it is again. And I was quite impressed. The only problem, again, I've said before when I was applying the decals, that I'm really struggling to get them looking smooth, not like stickers that I put on my nails. So if you have any tips or techniques for that to help me out, I'd really appreciate that. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!